Let's try to make some caramel candy. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we're going to try it. Okay, you'll need 2 sticks of butter. Not margarine, butter. Need your hands to be clean. You need 4 cups of sugar. 4 cups of white sugar. One cup. Two cups. Three cups. Four cups. We're using the 1/4 of a cup. We'll need 2 cups of light cacao syrup. Two cups. Turn on your heat to medium. Until mixture begins to boil. About 5 to 10 minutes. Keep stirring it. You'll need 24 ounces of evaporated milk. That's 2 cans. And you'll need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then after the stuff all melts together, 5 to 10 minutes, then you're gonna gradually add the evaporated milk 1 can at a time, taking about 12 to 15 minutes per can, slowly adding. Don't turn your heat up no more than medium. You'll need 1 cup of butter, that's 2 sticks, 4 cups of granulated sugar, 2 cups of light corn syrup, 24 ounces of evaporated milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Prep time about 10 minutes. Cooking time about 1 hour. So if you ain't got an hour to spend, don't start this. Then you're going to need a 9 by 13 pan. If you want to cut it into servings, it's going to make 80 servings. I got parchment paper in a 9 by 13. Stir the mixture constantly, scraping the sides occasionally until it reaches a form of a little ball stage about 240 to 225 degrees. 245 degrees, I mean. Or you can get a drop of caramel in a salt, in some kind of little thing, put it inside of a cold cup of water, and if it brings to soft boiling stage, that's it. If you've not got a candy thermometer, which I don't. So this is all going to rely on time for me. You will have to put these in the refrigerator overnight to make them easy to cut. Then once you bring them out of the refrigerator, get you some wax paper, put your caramel on it, and wrap them up like a Tootsie Roll. Let me read it to you again. Line a 9 by 13 or a jelly pan roll with parchment paper. If you don't got parchment paper, you can butter it. Add 2 sticks of butter, sugar, and kale syrup to a large, heavy bottom saucepan over medium heat. Stir medium heat until mixture begins to boil about 5 to 10 minutes. Gradually add the evaporated milk 1 can at a time, taking about 12 to 15 minutes per can. Slowly add it while stirring occasionally. You want to make sure the mixture maintains a steady heat, constantly boils. No dramatic changes in temperatures, otherwise your caramel can curdle. Stir the mixture constantly, scraping the sides constantly until it reaches a firm ball stage. About 240 to 245 degrees on a candy thermometer. It takes patience and time, but it is also worth it. Also, I don't really trust or rely on a candy thermometer, so I like to test it in the old-fashioned way. Drop a spoonful of hot caramel sauce into a cup of ice water and mold it with your fingers into a ball. When ready, it will feel pretty firm and pliable, but still slightly be sticky. Once you reach the 240 to 245 degrees or the firm ball stage removed from heat, stir in vanilla. Pour caramels into prepared pan, refrigerator until cooled and hardened. Best if you refrigerate them overnight. or for several hours. This will be easier to cut and wrap. The caramel will seem hard in the fridge after they set, but they should be soft at room temperature. Cut caramels into small pieces and, if desired, wrap like a Tootsie Roll in wax paper. Now we gotta let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we gotta add our evaporated milk slowly over 15 minutes. Yeah, it says you can do it 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, we're gonna start putting our milk in one little bit at a time. See how it does? You've got to do this over time. Because you don't want no changes in your caramel. And we're doing it at the 5 minute mark. So watch it as you're going now. See, now make sure you don't get burnt now. Because this could splash on you.